Install Duo2anki today and take your language learning to the next level by seamlessly syncing your Duolingo progress with Anki. Once installed, pin the extension icon for easy access. You'll see a brown owl icon in the top left corner. Click it, or press Alt-W to open the side panel. Let's import Duolingo words. The upload will start automatically, and you'll see the current course name at the top. Wait a few seconds, and a message will confirm that all words have been loaded. You can adjust how many words show per page using the drop-down at the bottom. Click the pen icon to edit a word, and use the arrows to move between them. To make learning easier, let's add some images. Just drag and drop an image. It saves automatically. Exporting words with context helps you remember them better. Click the Fill Context button to fetch example sentences. You can choose between ChatGPT or Grok, and either add to or replace the existing text in the back field. Use the Request Count field to generate context in multiple tabs at once. Once the examples are ready, you'll see them appear in the context field. You can still edit or remove any item. Use the search bar above to find specific words. Want a fresh start? Just click Delete All Words. Now let's export everything to Anki. Make sure you've installed the Anki app and the Duo2anki plugin. Create a deck with 6 fields. Then click the Cards button to adjust styling. Set the deck and note type, then click Export. That's it, your words are ready to study on your phone, desktop, or even in your browser. The final tab has hotkeys and contact info. Thanks for watching.